Hi, I am Adil from Adillusion, Dash of Streamline Solution. Here with a new video, and this video is all about AutoCAD batch plot. Actually, batch plot is an AutoCAD inbuilt feature to publish multiple sheets or drawing to PDF file. It can also be used for publishing to a plotter, printer or DWF, that is design wave format. Too often we waste too much of time on plotting drawings and always risk of asymmetrical output. AutoCAD page setup need to adjust for every individual drawing. But now, no additional software to buy for a bulk plotting, no need of a spend time on creating AutoCAD page setup. Single setting file are applied to each drawing in the batch. Your preferred setting can be saved as .dsd and same could be used for entire project, and average plotting speed you may get up to 15 to 20 drawings per minute, but of course it depends on size. Let's watch way to access batch plot application. Go to AutoCAD menu and then print option, and in the print option you can see the batch plot, and the second way from the ribbon, here in the ribbon you can see output tab, and in the output tab the direct option is batch plot option. Okay, and the last one is the most popular method to access any tool in AutoCAD is through command. Just key in publish, PUBLISH, on your command bar. Any of these method will pop up a fresh publish window. Yes, publish window will appear something like this, and we're gonna see all settings and its uses one by one within this green rectangle in details. We'll start first with this load sheet list and save sheet list. So basically these two buttons are one for importing .dsd file, another one is to save in the .dsd file. What is .dsd file? DSD file is the combination of list of drawings and its printing settings. So if you have already created any DSD files, you can just go here and browse the destination and target the file, and must be selected as .dsd file types. Okay, this way we can import the DSD file, but when you complete all the settings, printing settings, then you can save this settings along with the list of drawings as a .dsd file, and what you can use in the future. Okay, that we will see in the see again before publishing how to create that .dsd files. Okay, so before we can see another things like add sheet. This is the button, green button you can see is add sheet. So we can add sheet. How we can add sheet? Similar way, we can browse the destination, select the files. Either we can take the help of control button, or we can press shift and arrow down or arrow up to select a range. Then the types you want to include. We all know that all the drawings have two portion basically. One is the model, another one is the sheet. So you want to include both or one only, like model or sheet. So normally in our case we have to produce a drawing with the title block, and the title block comes under the layout or sheet view. So we generally prefer to print layout, but again it depends on you what is your actual requirement, but there is a option you can play around. Another thing is this prefix sheet title with the file name. If you check this box, so your drawing title output file name will come with the sheet name followed by the drawing name. So again, in our case, we as per our document control instruction, we have only sheet name to to recognize a drawing. So we just follow the sheet, so we always uncheck this one, so it won't follow the drawing name. Okay, then after adding the files, we have one button, minus button in the red color, to remove. Accidentally, if you include some file what you don't want to print, you can always remove that file. And these two buttons are move sheet up and down. If you want to arrange the order, you can always take the help of these two buttons. And this preview button is always give you the preview of particular selected drawings. If you have range of drawings, if you select one drawing and go to the preview button, it will give a preview. And then this is page setup. This is page setup is a kind of border file, you can say. So you can import the page setup, and always you can import page setup for entire range. You just select again by shift or control, and then import the, again go to the destination, and it will target the border file or the setup file. Then it will import for entire range. Okay, so after this there is publish to, and here option is open. What type of output you want? You want PDF, you want DWF, or if you want in a plotter. So you can select with these three options. After selecting this option, then you have another option, then PDF preset. In the PDF also there are various types. So in the PDF, general documentation, high quality print, smallest file, and the web and mobile supported files. So this kind of PDF output types you can select based on your requirement, and I'll little bit explain about the differences of this type of print. So these are the PDF preset PC3 files, which generally show the quality and the requirement of and set your requirements. Like this first one, general document, it will be a standard document type, but the resolution and the other thing will be very high, and it will include the layer information, hyperlinks, and bookmarks also. Another one is high quality printing. The file size, of course, if you if it increase the quality, then the file size will be bigger. So it will also include the hyperlink, layer information, and bookmark, and the overall quality will be very high. Then you have option for the smallest file type, which will erase all the layer information, hyperlink, and bookmarks. Then you have another option, but the last option is only applicable for the viewing purpose in the web or mobile version. Okay, and then you can create your custom PC3 file based on your requirement inside the plot manager, and add a plot wizard, and then complete the step of the wizard. Then you will get your own customized PDF preset.pc3 files. Okay, so after this there is one option, publish option. So in this publish option, it will allow you to set again another way we can set the resolution, set the layer information, include the hyperlink informations, and multiple sheet or single sheet. So we'll see how. Again, from here you can browse the destination, and then this check box, if you check this box, then it will bind your drawings, like all separate sheet will be bind and you will get one combined output. And if you uncheck this one, then it will give you the single output. Okay, and then this is the area where you can set up your resolution, vector quality, raster image quality. You can always set as per your requirement. Okay, and then this data is for including the layer information, hyperlink, creating bookmark. Checkbox under publish in background gives you the choice to select whether you want to publish in background or you want to monitor the progress in your display window. Okay, so now in this stage we have completed all the setting. Now we can hit the publish button. The moment you hit the publish button, it will open another window with the save sheet list, and this is the time where you can save your entire setting along with list of drawings as .psd file, and which can be imported when you want to print again the same set of files. Your action here in yes, no or cancel to start publishing, and you can monitor your progress if you wish. Okay, and this one publish button, if you uncheck this one, then it will give you the progress window, something like this. And if you check this button, then the process will be done in the background. So but there is some advantage and disadvantage also. If you check this button, then the process will be done in the background and you can perform another task at the same time. But when you uncheck this one, you can monitor the printing progress, but you cannot perform any task at the same time. So you have always the choice. If you have a large number of drawing, it may take longer time, so that time you can opt option to print in the background. Okay, so if you print in the background, so you have always you can monitor the status also. So if you want to check the status, you just hover your mouse here in the small printer icon, so it will give you the status of your printing process. When it is done, it will give you the an message that the plot and publish has been completed. When you click this link, then it will open another plot and publish detail window. Here it will be something like this. So for your easy recognition, I have highlighted each portion in a different color of highlighter. So here the first one is a input file path, second one is border file path, third one is a plotter path, and fourth one is the output path, and fifth one is the paper size. The whole process is now documented as PDF also for your quick reference. Download PDF notes from link at description box and stay tuned till the end of video for live demonstration of what we had in this session. Let's have a live demonstration of AutoCAD batch plot. Go to menu, then print and batch plot. You can use any of the three methods what we have learned before. Now I got this publish window. So I don't want this file, I just want to remove this, and then I want to add new sheets. Okay, so I have created one folder with the name live demo. So I have already in this folder. If you are away, then you can browse the folder, and I want to select all these five, so I'll use shift button and selected all 5 drawings, and here we have option of including. So you have 3 choice, you want model and layout both, or model or layout. So I want only layout. And then another option here, if you check this one, then the output will come, output file name will come with sheet name followed by the model name. So I don't want any model name to be followed by my sheet or drawing name. So I'll just click select. So the files have been now imported to our working place. So now I'll just arrange this one. If you want any drawings not to be included in this one, you can select always, and you can use this remove button. I want all 5 to be here. Okay, the next option is here, use this buttons to move this one up or down. Okay, and this button is for the preview, and if you want to see the preview of this one, you can select this one, you will get the preview, exit, and here you have to add your border files. Okay, so I have here option, I can select border file. Already I have created XB border addition, so I can import one by one also. But if you are doing in a batch, if you are having a big number of files, then you better go and select and go to the import, select here, the setting will be imported, page setup will imported for all files. Okay, so the next item is publish to. What we want to publish, we want to publish as PDF, and then this PDF preset. So out of these all options, I want this smallest file size. Okay, and now the publish option. So here is the publish option. Location, it is output location. So where you want to save your output files, so you can choose the file. So I have just selected this live demo folder. Okay, and then this multi-sheet option, if you check this one, then the all 5 sheets will come in a binder in one single sheet. Okay, and if you uncheck this one, then you will get a separate output. Okay, I am happy with this quality. Here you can adjust the quality, but I am happy with this. Okay, now in the data area, you can include this datas like hyperlink, bookmark, layer. So I don't want to include, because as you increase these things, the file size will increase. So I am this area is done. Okay, so I don't want to publish in background, I want to see how actually it prints. Okay, so just all settings done. Now go to the publish. Okay, here you can save your settings as DSD file. So I'll just save here, and file name I'll keep addition. Okay, and I'll save in the same folder, and the moment I save this one, the publishing start. So see how fast the publishing process is going. Okay, I think it's done. So you can see the folder, see the folder here is publishing all done. Okay, and the DSD file what we save, it is also saved here. So I'll delete this all files here, and I'll show you the printing process through DSD file. Okay, so I just deleted all the files, only DSD file I kept. So again I go to the publish. Okay, remove this one. This time I am not adding files from this option. I'll use DSD file. I just load the file, just simply click this one. You can see here the all list of files are here, page setups are here, this PDF options already selected. Even you see here your destination output destination folder is also saved here. Isn't it save your time? Yes, this time we will see to print in the background. Okay, if I click here, then the message is showing that your printing or publishing job is processed in the background. Okay, let it do. Okay, you can see here in here publish job in progress and publish process completed. Now you can find your all newly created PDF files here. For publish and plot details report, you can click here and find your reports. Isn't it super easy way to plot in bulk without buying any third-party software? Answer me at comment below, and you can subscribe Adillusion to stay connected. Bye bye.